As regarding to Sidrachain KYC, I know you want to know if a center is now available for your state. I'm going to show you how to check in this video. But Abuja people, now they worry you. Almost all the messages I'm receiving is from Abuja. This one, Abuja. When will there be a center in Abuja? When this, when that, when that. Even strange numbers. Numbers go just call me. I go pick. The next thing I'll be hearing is, I want to go to do my KYC in Abuja. I want to know where the center, blah, blah, blah. Abuja people now so want to carry airdrop for head because now, wow, they need to check that state because what the hell is happening? Now, if you want to check if there is now a center in your state, all you basically have to do is to open up your Sidra app. Look at where my Sidra is open here. You tap on this hamburger menu. This is this three-dotted menu at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it and it opens up, you scroll up and then locate this KYC port. You tap on it and then you wait for it to open. Now, sometimes it might require you to input your authentication and blah, blah, blah. But basically, this is the page it should take you to. The next thing you want to do is to click on this view document. Look at this view document here. You tap on that view document. Once it opens up, you get to this page. All you want to do now is to click on this view my appointments. Now, once you click on it, this is the page it's going to take you to, and this is where you get to book an appointment. So just tap any of the buttons. You can tap either this one at the top or this one at the bottom. So you tap on book appointment, it takes you to this page. And this is where you get to check if a center is now available in your state. For instance, this center is for Adamawa. So you can see this is Adamawa here. If I scroll up, you can see the next one is Katsina. If I scroll up again, you're going to see that the next one is Kano. If I keep scrolling, you can see Kaduna and Kano. I think Kaduna and Kano has the highest number here. Then this one is Gungun and Jabi, blah, blah, blah. I don't know which state this one is. So for those of you that are there, you should know it. This is Kano again. If you scroll up, you see KB. Look at KB State. If you scroll up, you see Yobe. People, they live for Yobe because Yobe is one state in Nigeria that I've not seen anybody from. I never see person where they say from Yobe. But then, that is Yobe. They even get center set before Abuja people. So if you scroll up, you see Kaduna again. You scroll up, you see another Kaduna. You scroll up, this one is Borno. Is it Borno? Abi Borno? Anyhow, you see again Zaria, and then you keep checking. So basically, you have to keep checking every day till you see that a center is now available for your state. So yeah, this one is Port Harcourt. This is Bauchi. This is Zaria. This is Azare. Where be Azare again? This is Sokoto. This is Onishe and the place is menu. Suleja. I don't know where that Suleja is. I think I know it, but I've forgotten. So you can see Abuja people, you people have not gotten a center yet. There was even a time that I saw an information that the center was not available for you guys, which I even posted on my Telegram channel. But someone went there to confirm and saw that there was nobody there doing KYC. And I tried to also get their phone numbers to see if I could contact them. I was not able to get it. So apparently, it seems you guys does not have a center yet. And I'm sure if people get a center, it is going to be made available here. So make sure to keep on checking on this page to see if a center is now available for you. And that is basically it. If you know that you're a newbie in crypto or you're a newbie in this Web3 space and you need someone to hold your hand to put you through or to teach you the basics or what is necessary and all the things that is needed for you to finally start making money in this space, you can hit me up in the DM. You can either go for a one-on-one section or you take my class. There's currently a 6-week class that will be ongoing as from 9th of September. That is next month. We're going to be taking a 6-week class twice a week where we onboard you properly to the Web3 space. So if it sounds like what you're interested in, you can hit me up in DM or check my profile. There's going to be a link there to my WhatsApp or Telegram channel where you can join and get further details. Make sure that you're following me here and go and follow me on my X. That is where I do drop most of the updates, even before making videos on them. For instance, there's currently a new update called Tao airdrop. I've been making posts on them. I even recently created a community for people down to yap about it so that we get to help ourselves. We help ourselves, we make posts, we engage, and then we grow. It sounds like what you're also interested in. Make sure you search for me on X, Tunios Tech. Follow me, join our community.